And the United States assures it will continue to help in rehabilitation efforts in areas in eastern Visayas devastated by Super Typhoon Yolanda. The assurance was made by new U.S. Ambassador to the Philippines, Philip Goldberg. The new envoy said the U.S. will continue to help the Philippines not just in security matters but in humanitarian and disaster relief operations as well. Here's Rocky Ignacio with the details.
The Philippines and the their relations in the field of economy, maritime security, humanitarian assistance, and people-to-people ties. U.S. Ambassador to the Philippines, Philip Goldberg, said this after he formally presented his credentials to President Aquino with other new envoys from Austria, Belgium, Myanmar, Vietnam, and Canada in Malacanang.
As we reflect on our country's proud past, we also are looking forward to a future that is also filled with cooperation for mutual prosperity, for mutual security, both for this region and for the whole world, because it's based on shared values and those people-to-people ties. We will work with the government of the Philippines and the people of the Philippines as it becomes more competitive and hopefully continues these great growth rates in its economy and be helpful in any way we can.
Goldberg also reiterated that the U.S. will continue supporting the disaster-hit areas by Yolanda in the Visayas.
I saw the destruction myself, but more importantly, the human suffering that has taken place and the lives that will have to be rebuilt. I had a chance to make the same kind of expression to President Aquino that the United States will remain with the Philippines as you move from the relief period into reconstruction. And the United States will take the lead of the Philippine government in areas that are most urgent for rehabilitation and reconstruction.
The U.S. is one of the countries that immediately sent humanitarian assistance in the affected areas.
So it was a very difficult situation to respond to. But we're working very closely with the government of the Philippines, taking the lead from here as we move into this next stage. Thankfully, I think the response has been good. The response, by the way, also internationally has been really tremendous.
Meanwhile, Goldberg claimed that the U.S. maintains their position to resolve the territorial dispute in the West Philippine Sea peacefully. He issued a statement amidst China's alleged air defense identification zone.
We believe in free navigation, whether it's in the air or on the sea. That's where the United States stands, and we will continue to press those beliefs, and we will support the peaceful and legal diplomatic efforts underway to resolve tensions. We don't take sides on, we're not a claimant state on any of these territorial features, but at the same time, we strongly support the countries of this region coming together for a code of conduct which will help set out the rules of the road or the rules of the sea, and will be a way for tensions to decrease. The same is true of any legal recourse that the Philippine government has taken.
For the People's Television, Rocky Ignacio.